betrayal written at the southern nation's gate. The ones who found a refuge in our land when flames were high, now turn around and watch their fellow African brothers die. They gather in the streets with the stones and with the fire, driven by anger that is fed from higher up the wire. They burn the little shops and they hunt the stranger down, treating fellow brothers like an enemy in town. Oh, the cruelty of the South, the xenophobic rage, a stain upon the history of Africa's modern page. You welcome in the wealthy, you bow to distant names, but hunt your own reflection in these political games. We bled to break your shackles, we shared the heavy cost. Now mercy is forgotten, solidarity is lost. Leaders find a scapegoat for the promises they broke. They blame the foreign doctor and the vendor in the smoke. They say we steal the water, they say we steal the bread, to hide the broken systems and the paths where they misled. The police walk the pavement looking only for a bribe, trapping human beings in the hatred of a tribe. They turn away the mother who is giving birth in pain, washing off the trauma just to look the other way. Oh, the cruelty of the South, the Afrophobic rage, a stain upon the history of Africa's modern page. You welcome in the wealthy, you bow to distant names, but hunt your own reflection in these political games. We bled to break your shackles, we shared the heavy cost. Now mercy is forgotten and solidarity is lost. Remember Lusaka, remember Harare skies, remember when the frontline states paid with mothers' cries. We took the bombs from Botha so that you could one day stand. Now you bring the terror to the children of our land. You smile at the oppressor who left you in the dirt, while dealing out the poison to the ones who heal your hurt. The fire burns the night, the targets are our own. A continent divided, a harvest bitterly sown. But the truth remains unspoken, the brotherhood is broken. Xenophobia is destroying Africa.